excitement. Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a unicorn in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper, and let's go. Step 1. Block the shape. Let's start our unicorn from the side, like a proud little pony. Draw a big sideways oval for the body, then a smaller circle up and to the left for the head. Connect them with 2 gentle lines for the neck. Press lightly. These are just our guide shapes. Step 2. Find proportions. Now draw a vertical line through the head circle and a horizontal line through the body oval. These lines help us align the unicorn's features symmetrically and maintain correct proportions. It's like setting up a framework for your drawing. Step 3. Refine the outline. Using the basic shapes as a guide, draw a more defined contour for the unicorn's head, neck, and body. Connect the head circle to the body oval with smooth, flowing lines. This step begins to bring the unicorn to life, giving it a recognizable form. Step 4. Place major features. It's time to add the unicorn's signature features. Draw a spiraling horn on the head, 2 pointed ears, and extend lines down from the body for the legs. Use the proportion guides to ensure everything is in the right place and size. Step 5. Add secondary details. Now, let's give our unicorn some style. Draw a flowing mane and tail with wavy lines and add hooves to the legs. These details add character and movement to your unicorn, making it look magical and unique. Step 6. Finish with line weight. For the final touch, go over your lines with a firmer hand to emphasize the unicorn's shape and features. Add some gentle shading to create depth and dimension. This step makes your drawing pop and gives it a finished, polished look. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture, and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn! Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.